So we do custom printing for other people. We get to take this idea out of people's heads and turn it into like a tangible product for them. My name is Stefanie Ashby. I work in business development at Antic Screenprinting. So I think what's unique about Antic is that we have spent a lot of time focusing on the customer experience and trying to make the whole process easier. I heard about Zapier for the first time. We use Printavo as our quoting software. They had posted a bulletin that they now have integrations with Zapier. So the problem we were trying to solve was being able to send quotes out to customers as fast as possible. We wanted them to be able to fill out a form online and within a couple of hours receive their quote. This was a way that we could stand out in the market against other screen printers in Austin. Through Zapier, we were able to automate a big chunk of that, grabbing people's information from different points in our website and our quoting forms, and then with the Zap, they get put into our MailChimp marketing funnels, and so we get to hang on to them and try to turn several of these leads into new customers. I think the biggest difference in the way we worked before, working hard, not working smart. Event happens and we react. Event happens and we react. And with Zapier, we get to see that these things are consistent and happening over and over, and then decide for a solution for it, and then Zapier takes over. We just have less small tasks on our plate. The main benefit that we're getting from Zapier would be time saved. This is gonna work. This is gonna be a huge time saver for us. It was definitely exciting.